Quick review of this little handheld thermal imager here. You can see the product number here. If you look that up on Amazon, you can find it. There's a whole bunch of clones out there. You can see that it is only a 32 by 24 pixel sensor, but it is a 240 by 320 display, so it uses pixel averaging to create a picture. So the longer you hold it stationary, the longer it can make a better image. It's got a little on-off button on the top here, some little toggle buttons. Pretty simple. A couple boards, battery, USB-C charger, and then the actual cell. So let's click this little guy on. We're standing here in my battery shelf. Got our battery bank number 4 here with the BMS hanging in the back, and I'm just going to set the camera right here, pointed at the BMS. You'll see these lower section here where those 2 black dots are will be the warmest section. So there you go. And you can see that we see a min temperature on screen right now, a max temperature on screen. It automatically places this red crosshair at the warmest location. The white crosshair is the center, and that value is recorded here. So if you put something warm in front of the white crosshair, it will change this bottom value. I'll stick my hand in front of it. You'll be able to see my finger come down. You can see the longer I hold my hand still, the smoother it gets. If I move my finger around, it's a little pixelated. If I hold my hand still, it's a pretty good outline when you hold still. So I just use this for checking for hotspots and connections, making sure I don't have anything warm. I usually just set it down, point it at connections or point it at BMSs, and just look at the max temperature over here on the top right, and just make sure that everything's good. They're $90 on Amazon, so pretty cheap little checker. Just make sure you're doing sanity checks on connections, nothing loose, and building up heat.